Hello, good morning all. Today in this video we are going to discuss about how to remove, create and edit option from a Many2one field. So if I open a new form for creating the patient, you can see we have got a Many2one field with the co-models hospital doctor here. So if I click on the Many2one field, you can see we have a create and edit option. So let's see how we can remove this create and edit option from a Many2one field in Odoo. So for that, this is the form view of the patient. So suppose if I take the corresponding form view in the code, so this is the form view for the patient, and if I place the mouse on top of that field, that is if I place mouse here, you can see the technical name of the field is doctor underscore ID. So I will take the corresponding field here. So this is the field. So for removing the create and edit option from a Many2one field, what you have to do is that if you search inside the code, no create edit, no create edit, if I search inside the code, you can see a sample. So I will just copy this thing and I will add it inside our code along with the doctor ID. So here I will paste the code what I have copied, and I will remove the unnecessary field from here, unnecessary option. So inside the option I have set no create edit as true. Now I will upgrade the module. You can see right now we have a create and edit option at the bottom of the Many2one field. So let's upgrade the module and see the changes. So from here I will upgrade the module. So once after the module is upgraded, you won't get create and edit option under the Many2one field. So let's see the changes once the module get upgraded. So the module is still upgraded. So okay, the module is almost done. You can see it's loading finally. And if I go to the hospital and then to the patient form view, and if I open a new form and if I put the mouse over it, you can see there is no create and edit option at the bottom. But still you can see if I type here something like TTTT, you are getting create option here. That is, we have only removed create and edit option, but still you can create. If I click on create TTT, you can see the doctor with TTT has been generated. So let's see how we can remove that too, this create by option also. So for that, what you have to do is that you have to play with the options itself. So I will search again in the code. Not necessary, I will just copy this thing. Yeah, let me search existing code, control shift F, and if I search for no create, yes, you can see no create. Yeah, you can see no create. So I will just copy the same. That is, earlier we have specified no create equal to true, no create edit equal to true. So now I have also set earlier we have said no create edit equal to true. Now I have also copied no create equal to true. Now if I upgrade the module, I will go to the apps menu and I will upgrade the module. Okay, I will upgrade the module. So earlier, after giving this no create edit equal to true, we are not seeing the create and edit option in the Many2one field, but still we are able to create the record by typing something in the field. So for that, for removing that, we have added no create equal to true. So the module is almost get loaded. Okay, yeah, module still it's loading. So once after the module is loaded, we will go to the hospital form view and then to the doctor's Many2one field. So I will go to the hospital, and if I open a new form view for creating the doctor, you can see we are not getting create and edit option. So if I type here YYY, you can see the option for creation is not coming. It's saying that no result to show. So this is how you can remove create and edit option, create and edit option from a Many2one field. Suppose if I give a name like this for doctor, and if I set this, so I have created a new record. The requested operation can complete, please contact your system. So this is some access right issue. So just to overcome that, I will just switch to the super user mode. Okay, so in the super user mode, you won't get any access right issue. So that the super user mode is activated. Now I will go to the hospital and then to the patient record. I'll create the new record, Gopal, and if I search for, I'll just assign him as Prashant. Age must be greater than 5. That is the constraint we have added earlier. So I have created a patient Gopal. You can see here, you can, by clicking on this button or on this Many2one field, you will be redirected to the corresponding record. That is, on clicking the doctor, you will go to the doctor's model, and from here you can see all the details of that doctor. So let's see how we can prevent clicking on the Many2one field. That is, right now we are able to click on this field and open the corresponding record. We will see how we can stop that. For that, what you have to do is that you have to add one more attribute here inside the options. That I will copy this and I will put it here itself and change no create to the no open. That is, we have set options no create edit equal to true, no create equal to true, and no open was also true. So once you set no open as true, it won't become clickable. So if I go to the apps menu and I will upgrade the module once again for getting that changer. So earlier when we have checked, we are able to open the Prashant record by clicking on the corresponding record. So we have set in the code that is no open equal to true, so that Many2one field become not clickable, and thus we cannot access the corresponding doctor's view. So still the module is upgrading. Okay, it's loading. Okay, now we will go to the hospital and then to the patient, and if I click on, right now you can see the clickable option is gone. That is, we are not able to click on the doctor record. So which was the record we are testing? Yes, the record was Gopal. Yeah, Gopal is here, and earlier the Prashant was clickable, but right now it's become unclickable due to the options that we have given. So if I click on edit view form and if I remove the code we have added, so if you can see, if I remove this, I'll just remove no open equal to true that we have added. Okay, save it. I will just reload the screen. As I have removed the no open equal to true, the field again become clickable. You can see the field again become clickable. So this is how you can remove, create and edit, create and open option from a Many2one field. If you have any queries regarding this, you can comment it out or you can reach us over the mail. The email ID is odoomates@gmail.com. If you like our videos, you can subscribe to the channel for more updates. Thank you.